Hey guys, Mrs. Pepper here. We are going to do a video read aloud. I'm going to do a video read aloud of our social studies science assignment for this week, which is our current event article through News to You. And so we're going to read through it. We're going to talk about it. I'm going to go over the couple assignments that will be due for it by the end of the week. And we'll practice it, and that way you know how your child is supposed to answer and do these activities that follow this article. Okay, so our current event article this week is called Stress Awareness Month. April is National Stress Awareness Month. People can learn about stress this month. Everyone feels stressed sometimes. Changes at home and school can cause stress. Trying new things can cause stress. Stress can make you feel sad or mad or scared. So maybe some of you guys have been feeling a little stressed out with everything that's going on in the world right now. With the coronavirus and how we're not at school, and it's a big change, and sometimes changes can make you feel sad or mad or scared, and that can stress you out. But it says you can do some activities to feel less stressed. So let's see what kind of activities you can do. You can talk to a parent about stress. You can talk to a school counselor too. A school counselor works in a school. And even though we're not in school, you can still make an appointment to talk to the school counselor. So if anybody needs to speak with the school counselor, you can let me know, and I can get you in touch with her to speak with her. All right, so that was our article for this week. And every week there's a bunch of things that come with these little News to You articles, which are pretty cool. This is called a less stress smoothie. So if you guys wanted to try it at home, here is all you need. 1/2 cup of orange juice, 1 cup of orange sherbet, 2 bananas peeled and sliced, a 15-ounce can of sliced peaches, drained, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a blender. Oh my goodness, that sounds so delicious. So let me know if any of you guys, if any of the families decide to make the less stress smoothie, and let me know how it tastes. All right, here are the directions to make your smoothie. You put the juice, the sherbet, the bananas, the peaches, and the vanilla. So all of the ingredients go inside the blender. And then you just hit the button and you blend them until they're all smooth, and then you drink it. That sounds so good. I want to make a less stress smoothie. Oh, here's I know some of our favorite parts is the knock knock joke and the joke page. So let's do our joke. Knock knock. Who's there? Feel. Feel who? Fill your cup with a smoothie. Get it? Fill your cup with a smoothie. They're silly jokes, but we always got a good laugh out of them. There's another joke. I have a joke. Tell me, why was the math book sad? I don't know why. It had too many problems. All right, that was a bad joke. Okay, so here is one of the assignments that are going to be due for this article by the end of the week. What we do is there are pictures that may or may not relate to the article. And so what the students do on this version, it's interactive. So I'm going to be able to just click it and it'll let me know if it's the right or wrong answer. When you guys do it, or when your child does the assignment, it's going to be in a Google Slides presentation, and there will be circles like there were for those one comprehension questions, and you'll just move the circles to the correct pictures, and that's how I know that they know which pictures pertain to the article. So let's go through this. Let's go through the pictures and decide if they have to do with the article or not. So, do you remember anything about bird food in the article that I just read? I don't think so. No bird food. What about everyone? Does everyone feel stressed at some time or another? I think so. Let's see.
Everyone.
Yes, everyone can feel stressed at some time. So, stress. Was stress in our article this week? Let's look.
Stress.
Yeah, stress was in the article this week. That was the name of the article, Stress Awareness Month. All right. So, does stress have something to do with the way that we feel? I think so too. Let's see.
Feel.
Yes, good job. All right, and change. Do changes in your routine or your life or your activities, could they cause stress? So does change cause stress sometimes? Yeah, I think so.
Change.
And last but not least, what about a cement truck? Do you remember anything in our article this week about a cement truck? No, there was no cement truck in there. So there you go. These are the pictures that have to do with our article this week. Everyone, stress, feel, and change. All right, so we have 3 questions that we're going to answer. This is the second assignment that's going to be due for this. And so we'll go over the answers so that you know. So when you work with it with your kids, you'll have an idea of what the right answers are, although it's probably pretty obvious. What is this paper about? Was it about the census? Was it about coronavirus? Or was it about Stress Awareness Month? It was
Stress Awareness Month.
Stress Awareness Month. Good job. Who can you talk to about stress? So let's see. Zombie, school counselor, or alien? Who do you think you talk to about stress? Well, I think we're going to go with the school counselor.
School counselor.
Yes, because zombies and aliens, those are just silly answers. And where does the school counselor work? Does she or he work in a park, in a museum, or at school? Yeah, just like it says in the name.
School.
A school counselor works at school. All right, so those are your 3 questions that you are going to do as your assignments. Let's see. It says, what do you do when you feel stress? All of these things are things that you can do, and these are just some options for you to pick from. You can exercise.
Exercise.
You can sleep.
Sleep.
You could talk it out with somebody. You could read a book.
Read.
Or you can find
Something
something
else
else that helps you when you feel stressed. So any of those are really good options for when you feel stressed out. And these are our word pages, our vocabulary words for the article for the week. We talked about stress and everyone. Everyone means it includes all of the people, not just 1 or 2. Everybody, everyone can feel stress, which is what we talked about this week. Stress, like we said, is something that happens when you have a change in your activities or your routine or your school or your home, and it can cause you to feel upset or angry or sad. And the best thing to do when you feel stressed is to not let it build up inside you, but to talk about it with your teacher, with your parent, with a school counselor, just as long as you get it out and just don't stress about it. So it's okay, everyone feels stressed, but there's no need to keep that all to yourselves because you can talk about it with any of the trusted adults in your life. So that is an overview of our Science Social Studies current event article this week and the activities that are going to be due. And so I will post this today, and then either today or tomorrow I will post the actual Google Slides presentations where the kids will actually do their assignment, and those won't be due until Friday. So this will be the last video that I make for today. I'll see everybody for calendar time in the morning. See you guys.